Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tips on Revit. So for this specific episode, I'm going to show you how we model roof tiles. We have different types of roof tiles. We have the Italian, we have the Spanish, and American. You can model all those tiles. So we are going to model a family roof tile, a single roof tile, because when they are placing them, they place one by one to come up with that pattern of the roof. So to start with, we are going to create our new template. We name it, we look for architecture template, the project. So we open. So this is our project where we are going to model the tile from. The tile sits on each other. I think let us dive into the lesson so that you can try to understand what I'm trying to say or explain. We shall come to file. We click on file. We create new family. You come to under new family. So we are creating a family. We use metric curtain panels. So we look for a metric curtain panel. There is this metric curtain wall panel. We don't choose this. We go to metric curtain panel pattern based. This is what we use. So we click on this. We open. It will give us this interface. So why do we choose that pattern based panel? It is because it is diverse, that we can do all parametrics. All parametrics that you may think are impossible in modeling. We can model them using that panel. For this one, we are going to use that. So I'll set my panel. I click on it. I'll give it the dimensions. I have to make sure my working units are in millimeters. So I will type UN on my keyboard. I check under length. Yes, I have millimeters. That is okay. So I click on my panel. I give it dimensions. I'm going to give it 306. I want my tile to be 300, but I'm adding the 6 because there is that overlap. Our tile sits on the other. That's why I'm giving it 306. It's okay. So this is our panel based. We are going to start with setting a plane. So I'll come, click on set a plane. I'll choose this vertical plane. I click on it. Then I come and I draw. Under the model lines, I'm going to select this start end radius arc. I'm going to select it because I want my tile to have that arc to be curved a bit. So I'll click on it. I come, I draw here up to the midpoint of this panel. This is the midpoint. I curve it. You can give what you want, a curve that you feel is okay. I come up to here, I curve downwards to that. I press escape several times till I remove the command. So this is what I have. I'm going to offset this by 60. 60 is a bit high. I'm going to offset it by 30. The 30, that is the slope I want to give my tile. So I'm going to come and set a plane. I pick this vertical plane on this side. click on it, then I come, I pick line, I offset by, let me say, 30. Click on this, click on this. So we are still on this vertical plane. I'll give it an offset of 10. So 10 is the thickness I want to give my roof tile. So I'll offset 10 this side, 10 this side. Then I'll do the same also this side. I'll set up plane again. Make sure where you're going to edit from, you already set a plane. So I'll set this vertical plane on this side. I pick lines. I offset the thickness, which is 10. This and also this. So what I was trying to mean is this. So this is the slope I'm having for my tile. So I'm going to close the loops. Yeah, we are still on this plane this side. So I will come, I will choose on this line draw. This one draws a line straight. So I'll click on it. I remove the offset to 0. I come and draw it. I close this loop. Press escape. Once I come close it this side. I set my plane again because I'm going to close this side. I set this plane. I pick this line. Click on this. I close this loop. Press escape. Close this loop. Like that. Press escape several times. So now what I have to do, I'll select this one this side. I hold on my control. I select also this one. Then I come here to create form. I click on create form. I get this. So this is my tile. As you can see the slope from this side. And this is the slope I mean. So that means this will have to sit on this. Yeah, so next we are going to add guardings to our roof tile. Yeah, those ones which sit on one another. So we are going to add them on our front side of our roof. That is this side. Yeah, we are going to add them here. So the same way, I come and set a plane. I'll set the vertical plane. I'll come and pick lines. Pick this upper one. Pick also this. Then I'll offset. I can give it 20. Yeah, I can give it 20. Come and offset it downwards like this. Like Ctrl Z. Like that. Then now I have to close the loops. I come and just draw the lines. I remove this offset 0. I come here. I draw this. Escape. I come and draw it also here. Escape. Now I select this. I make sure I've selected all the lines I've drawn. There's this one. I hold on my control. I click. Then I come and create form. So I've created my guard. So I'll have to reduce it a bit. Reduce it to your desired. Can give it 10. 10 looks small. I can give it 20. Yeah, this is enough. So now I can just change some materials. I'll come here, make this fine, give this maybe shaded. So I'll come and click on this tile under material by category, come and drop down default roof. Now I'm going to create now my new material. Create new material, right click, I duplicate this one, I rename it roof tile. I come to appearance, I click here, and appearance library, I look for roofing. Roofings are here. I select tile I want. I can select this Spanish tile red, give it this material, I say okay. I change here to realistic. In realistic, that is it. I give also this guard the same material. Make sure I select it. Where is it? Let's put it in hidden lines. You can select it from the side. I come here, material. I'll give it the same material. Say okay. Change to realistic. Yes, I have my tile family. Yeah, we can stop here for today. Then the next episode I will show you how we put this roof tile on our roof. So I'm going to save it. I come here under file, I save it as family. I give it, let me save it under my, where I have my libraries, under local disk D, files, libraries, library 25. Can save it as create tiles. So I save it, then I can load it into my project. Yeah, this is the project, so it is already loaded here. Yeah, but we can stop there for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tips in Revit. Stay blessed.